Hello everyone, I am Samida Chavan, lecturer in Information Technology Department, Vidyalankar Polytechnic, Wadala, Mumbai. I welcome you for overview lecture on Principles of Databases, Information Technology Semester 3. Rationale and Competency. This course enables students to understand concept of databases, designing relational databases, and perform basic operations on data. The term data is present everywhere. Railway ticket has data regarding source and destination of the journey, date, amount, time. Shopping bill will have data regarding item purchased, bill amount. Student mark sheet will have data regarding how much marks student have scored in each subject, result, percentage, etc. This data is stored in relational database. Relational database is managed by database management system. The course will help the student to develop relational databases by applying principles of database design. Course outcome includes use of fundamental concepts of database in database system, choose relevant data model to solve a problem, develop relational databases using entity relationship modeling approach, applying constraint for data integrity in relational databases, apply data normalization and denormalization techniques on databases, teaching and examination scheme. For this subject, there will be 70 marks end semester theory examination. There will be 30 marks internal theory examination, which consists of 20 marks of PT1 and PT2 exam average and 10 marks of micro project. There will be 25 marks internal practical ESE. There will be 25 marks practical progressive assessment. Unit outcomes. This course has 5 chapters. First chapter, Basics of Database and Architecture, 12 marks. Data Models and Database Types, 12 marks. Database Design using ER Diagram, 14 marks. Relational Database Model, 18 marks. Normalization, 14 marks. Practical Outcomes. In this course, student will learn how to install database product, use GUI environment of identified database product, creating a new database with GUI, create a table structure with database GUI, inserting records in the table, identifying an application, drawing ER diagram and designing a database, creating a relational database with constraints, creating relations with tables in the database, create queries to perform different operations using GUI, update and replace data, sort records in the table, filter the data in the table, import and export databases, normalize the databases. Real-time applications of databases. Databases are used in banks, shops, WhatsApp, railways, hotels, school, hospitals. Everywhere databases are getting used. References. Book includes Database Management System by G.K. Gupta, Database Management System, A Practical Approach by Rajiv Chopra, and Introduction to Database System by C.J. Date, Addison Wesley. Web references include Java Tutorial Point, beginnersbook.com, w3schools.com.